Okay, so in this video, we'll be designing the internal pages of this application. For example, the cart page, orders page, and contact page. Okay, so let's get started. So let me open the cart page at first. Okay, so this is the cart page, and yeah, this is the cart page, and let me also click on the cart. So this is our cart screen. Okay, now what we will do, we will simply go to scaffold widget. Inside the scaffold widget, let us create the app bar and app bar in this way. Okay, and now let us give the side. Now we will be using title, small letter, sorry, title equals text, and here the name of this screen is card or your card. Let me reload the screen, and now I can see a nice card or a nice app bar into this screen, in this screen. And let me change the background color of this screen, not screen, sorry, the app bar. So last time we used pink colors, dot pink. Now let me check. Yeah, it's looking nice. If I click on view card, I can see your card. Similarly, we will go to the other pages, and we will simply copy this line of codes and go to the orders page, and simply paste it here, and your orders, we will simply write your orders, and inside the, this is the orders page, and last we have the contact page, and inside the contact page we will simply write here contact us. Okay, so let us click on view card. I can see view card title or the app bar, here your orders, and if I click on contact us, now I am able to see the contact us title on the app bar. So let me at first go to your card again and give a nice picture in this section. So I will go to the home page, and in the home page we have one container, we have used one image. So I will simply copy that image here, since we are using children inside column. So the image, we can see the image here, but instead of this image, let us go to some other website. Okay, and let me go to png tree, and let me check contact us or contact team. Okay, so let me open this image, and let me check if I can open. Yep, open image in new tab. Okay, let us copy the URL of this image, and I will replace the old URL with this new one. Okay, so we can now see the image in our contact us screen. And in this section we have used 8 insets all. Instead of 100, let us use 10 now. Okay, so this is our card screen, or in the title we can now write contact us now. Okay, and here we can write some contact information, which we shall be doing in the later part. Okay, now let me go back and go to orders page. We will do similar type of action in the orders page as well. So we will copy the enter line of codes from line number 20 to line number 32, and we will paste it on the orders page, line number 20. Okay, and we will simply paste it here, and we will write all your orders or your orders. Here I can see your orders is being reflected here. And now let me go to png tree and check orders, my orders. Let me check my orders. Shopping items, items. Okay, let us take a few examples. All right, so let me use this image and paste it here. Since I'm using this project for testing purpose or demo purpose, so I'm not using so much of high resolution pictures or maybe with good quality pictures. I'm simply copying the URLs from the free websites and pasting it here. But once you create your own application, you can simply, okay, we did one more mistake. Instead of card, we have written contact us. So let us copy these codes again and paste it on the contact screen. Okay, let me go to cart. This is the cart section and let us replace it here. And this is our contact us now page. This is few orders and this is our cart. So here we have to write cart and let us rename it as my cart. Okay, I think I have made one more mistake. Instead of correcting it on the contact page, I was correcting in the cart page. So here, your card, let me write your card, save. Okay, and now if I go to contact, this is contact us now page screen, and if I go to orders, this is orders. And the last thing which I have to do is to change the image of this card. So let me go to PNG tree once again, and let us say card or shopping cart. Let us say shopping cart. Okay, so let me use this image. Please ignore the external noise as I'm recording this video outside my studio today. So I think there are some disturbances. Okay, okay. Open image in new tab. And now I'll be pasting it in this section. All right. So the image is not looking good. So I think I have to replace it with some good image. Okay. Cart items. Cart offers. Horizontal. Okay, guys, I'm not going to waste my time searching for these images. What I will do, I will simply open this image, all right, and copy the URL. I will copy its URL and paste it in the cart page. Okay, but once you practice it on your own laptop or computer at your home, you can use good images from good sources. So this is our card, this is our orders page, and this is our contact us page. So in the next video, we'll be designing the bottom navigation bar of this project. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for further updates.